Hi, welcome back. Another important session. Hello, friends and professionals. So this is solution 2. Where do you find deleted delivery lines in SAP ECC or S4 HANA? Okay. Previously, I have shown one solution. That is solution 1 is CD, SD or CD POS, item level table. That's what we had a discussion about that. Okay. So let's try to check now. Okay. The second solution, how we can able to find it out with the practicals. Before going ahead, if you are not a subscriber, you can subscribe my channel. If you like that, it will be gives a lot of motivation to transfer a lot of knowledge from our end. Okay. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel to get more valuable inputs like this. And all these are the different set of Udemy courses at my end. For it, where SD consultant, this is the right place. It wrote ends here. You can try all real-time courses like, and this is for specifically for idocs with 5 scenarios with complete practicals I have explained. This is getting master to write functional specification. You can able to, try this course for phase enhancement and support enhancement process for projects. And this is pricing. Sometimes I also will fumble. It do happens with anybody. No one is perfect in their life. Okay. At least I keep on trying to learn something in terms of communication. Okay. Let it be SAP SD ECC or S4 HANA export advanced pricing concepts. So this is one of the key course in my pricing. Like that, I have few set of courses, around 20 courses. I'm just providing these links below of this description. If really you are interested, you can try, or else if you don't want it, you try my YouTube channel. This is the place where solution one placed, and let me give a try for my second solution. Okay. So let's go to the sales order. If you look at here, we have around 5 line items are there. Again, we will delete it, and let me show you the second place where you can able to track this one out. Okay, so let's try to check the what I wanted to say is first we'll check document flow. Okay, people have doubts on instructor also. That's why I'm showing this is open sales order. Let's try to create a delivery now. Okay, so let's create it. Whether you can able to do picking, if you don't do also, it doesn't matter. Okay, let me choose the quantities also. Okay, so let's save this. Let's assume after PGA you cannot able to do it any actions because it will be disabled. But let's come here. Okay, probably you can able to try on your own way with 2 line items also. There is no problem. Let me delete some line items. Let me delete line number 50. Oh God, if this is not the right way, you have to delete here. If you do that, total document will be deleted. Okay, so line 50 I have deleted. Line 10 I have deleted. So let's try to add, okay, it is not allowing, maybe because of this thing. Let's give it a try. If same can, if I'm just trying to add and see this. Okay, probably one more line added. Okay, so this is an experiment. We can see this. Okay, let's save this. Oh gosh, some key is there. Okay, let it be. It is not allowing because of some routine or something like that. Now let it go. So anyhow, let's delete this line again. Say no and delete here. So delete the line and delete this line. Okay. Okay. So 2 lines are there. Let's delete one more line also. No issues. Don't add anything. Okay. So some setting might be missing. It is giving down, or else throw might be like some routine which is got assigned. It is causing. That's not our target actually. So now if you see the delivery, okay, we have 2 line items. Okay. So let's do one thing. BL22. This is the transaction. Okay. This is the delivery document. You can check specific line item. Okay. Document items change. Okay. Overview and details overview. And you can able to find time of the change. That means deleted or changed, you can able to find here. See, these are the 10, 30, 50, 3 line items got deleted, right? So total weight and net weight got changed. Why? Because, we're trying to, modify the quantities and all those stuff, right? So you probably can able to see this. These 3 lines got deleted. This is also one way. Remember this transaction, VL22 is the place where. So let's go to the detail overview and time of the change. Okay, the same place only. So you can able to find the time, right? Okay, let's click this. I put the cursor here and oops. Okay, probably this is okay. So actually it's supposed to display the time. Okay. This is one of the see, if you double click here, you can able to find right date and time. Okay. So that's it. Can able to see this. So now there is no difference of months and weeks, right? So probably you can able to analyze like this. So I'll try to give one more solution, but this has a lot of frequency at end user, but CD POS that is done by most of the times consultants, ABAP or functional consultant must aware of that. That table will be useful for to give a logic also. But this is specifically handled, controlled by end users. Even we can also use it. Okay. So that's all the story. Okay. If you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe my channel to get more inputs like this. And all these are the different courses, around 20 courses. It's your patience. Okay. If you really wanted to learn. Okay. Thank you so much. I wish you all the best. Have a great day. Thank you. Thanks for joining the session.